Hello friends, welcome to Sagar Info Mode. As of everyone know, we have started NPTEL assignment quizzes answers. So in this video, we will discuss about that only. And some previous videos, we have completed the week 4 assignment. So now the time is to going with the week 5 assignment of Google Cloud Computing Foundations. Okay, so week 5 assignment, as you can see here in the assignment. Okay, so as you can see so let me start with the first question. How many IP addresses does a 24 network have? So 24 network have 256 IP addresses, and that could be a unique one. Okay, so which of the following is not a type of virtual private cloud? So regional is not a type of the virtual private. Okay, so true or false, virtual private clouds are global and subnets are regional. So that is true. And private cloud network allow the deployment of the infrastructure as a service resources such as compute instances and containers. So which of these statements best describes a VPC? For this, the correct answer is a software defined network built on top of Google's network. Okay, so now coming to the fifth question, what is the purpose of a route? So the purpose of route is, so route provide a path for traffic to flow. Okay, so this is not actually we are seeing in the road, this is in the network signals. Okay, so which of the following is true concerning firewall rules? Okay, first of all, I want to tell you what is firewall. Firewall is some extension, or these are the rules in the computer or say in the network, which block the unwanted content to the user from the user. Okay, so for this, the correct answer is firewall rules block all inbound traffic by default. So now coming to the seventh question, you want to create. Okay, friends. So you want to create a single location to control the traffic to all the virtual private cloud in your organization. What will be the best? Okay, so what is the best option? That is a shared virtual private cloud. Okay, so now coming to the eighth question, which load balancing option can be used if you want to disturb web traffic to two applications in different parts of the world? For this, the correct answer is HTTP load balancer. HTTP full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay. Now coming to the ninth question, what option would you choose to create a virtual? Sorry. Okay. What option would you choose to create a private dedicated 10 GB per second link between GCP and your data center? So for this, the correct answer is Cloud Interconnect. Now for the 10th question, last your instance needs a public IP address that won't change if the instance is shut down and restarted. So which of the following is the best option? To reserve a public static IP address from Google and assign it to the instances. Okay, so this is an important question, friends. So public IP address can be allocated by the Google and assigned to an instance if a static IP is needed. So reserve IP static address from Google and assign it to the instances. Okay, friends, this is about the week 5 assignment. Okay, we will meet with another week assignments of another subject maybe.